Hey guys, welcome to Tech Rovers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 11 in a PC which doesn't support TPM link or secure boot mode, or even doesn't have a processor which supports Windows 11. So here I have a PC which is 13 years old, which is running Windows 11 in it. You can see the start menu is in the center, and this doesn't have a TPM chip. As you can see here, it shows that it cannot be found. And next, another thing is that it's not in secure boot mode, unsupported again over here. And one more thing, the processor is not supported. We can go to the about page, and you can see it's a core quad processor which is like 13 years old, and of course it's not supported. And one more thing, it's running Windows 11 Pro. So this is a proof for it. So let's get in the video on how to installing it. Let's go. So guys, for this we need the Windows 11 ISO. We're gonna become an Windows Insider to get that. And we also need Windows 10 ISO. I'll put the link down below, Windows 10 download link, ISO link. If you guys have downloaded the Windows 11 ISO, you can skip to the next chapter of the video. Now for this, we need to become a Windows Insider to get the Windows 11 ISO. So we need to go to this Windows Insider website and register ourselves as a Windows Insider. For me, I have already registered, so it's not showing. There down, it should be showing for you guys. So now after that, go to this link. This also be in the description, and we need to scroll down and select the edition which we want. You guys can research which channel you want, and I'm gonna get a dev channel, and click on confirm and click the language which you want, of course English here, and click on confirm and click on download. It'll start downloading. I'm gonna skip this because it took a long time for downloading, 5 GB. So guys, the ISO is downloaded. Now I'm just gonna check whether it'll download normally if I try to set it up. So let's just click on the setup and check. If you guys have tried this out, you can skip to the next chapter. So guys, it shows the same thing. The processor is not supported, TPM is not there, and secure boot mode is not supported. So let's close this, and I have two methods now. I'm gonna show you. So guys, to the left I have the Windows 10 ISO, and to the right I have Windows 11 ISO copied to another folder because we're gonna move some files. Now we're gonna open the source folders of both the ISOs. So guys, the first method didn't work for me, but it did work for some people. So we're gonna change this file. It's called appraiserres. We're gonna change the Windows 11 appraiserres.dll file to the Windows 10 ISO's appraiserres.dll file. Before that, we just copy everything from this Windows 11 ISO file and make a separate folder in any of your location, and then paste the whole of the ISO file inside that. Now we take the appraiserres file from the Windows 10 ISO and paste it into the other folder. Now we run the setup file. So guys, the same thing is showing for me, but for some people this has worked. Let's get into the second method which worked for me. So guys, in this method we're gonna replace this install.wim file from Windows 11 ISO to the Windows 10 ISO and run it. So let's do it right now. I'm just deleting the file from Windows 10 ISO and replacing it with the Windows 11 install.wim. So guys, I'm going to click on the setup and run it. So guys, this method worked for me. It came to the license page, I accepted it, and it installed Windows 11 as you see in the start of the video. And one more thing guys, for me, the first time I tried doing this method, safe OS error came in the middle of the installation. I searched on internet and they told that we need to plug out the Ethernet cable, and I did that and it worked for me. So you can try doing that, or there's other solutions for it. You can try it out and solve it on your own. So thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have any issues, we'll try to solve it. Thanks for watching guys, like this video if you liked it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.